In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to build a Notion assignment tracker from scratch. This is perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who wants a simple and visual way to track assignments, deadlines, and progress all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll have a clean assignment tracker with a calendar view that makes it easy to see what's due and when. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to create your assignment tracker. This could be a new page or an existing workspace for school or studies. Once you're on the page, give it a clear title like Assignment Tracker so you can easily find it later. Having a dedicated page helps keep everything organized and distraction-free. Next, click anywhere below the title and start typing Assignment Collection. As you type, Notion will suggest different block options. From here, choose to create a database. You can either select a table view directly or choose a full-page database, depending on your preference. For most users, a simple table database works perfectly for tracking assignments. Once your database is created, this is where the real setup begins. Your database will automatically come with a name column. You can use this column to enter the name of each assignment, such as Homework 1, Essay Draft, or Math Quiz. This will act as the main identifier for each task. Now let's add a due date. Click the plus icon to the right of your existing columns and add a new property. Choose the date property and name it something like due date. This is one of the most important parts of the assignment tracker because it allows you to visually see deadlines and sort assignments by urgency. After that, we're going to add a status column. Again, click the plus icon next to the column headers and choose a select property. Name this column Status. Inside the status options, you can add labels like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. You can also customize the colors to make your tracker more visually clear at a glance. Now that you have your basic table set up, it's time to turn this into a calendar view. At the top of your database, click the plus icon next to the current view name. From the list of view types, select Calendar. Notion will ask you which date property to use, so make sure you select your due date column. Once you do this, Notion will automatically generate a calendar view of your assignments. Each assignment will now appear on the date it's due, making it extremely easy to plan your workload and avoid missing deadlines. You can click on any assignment in the calendar to open it and add more details, notes, or even attachments if needed. At this point, you have a fully functional Notion assignment tracker. You can switch between the table view and the calendar view depending on how you want to plan your week or month. This setup is flexible, simple, and powerful enough to handle multiple classes or projects at once. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a Notion assignment tracker from scratch. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.